is the Hoover VisionDynamic 9kg D41 RPM, a energy -30 DYN9144DG washing machine. First needs replacing. So we got cottons and pre-wash. Stain blaster, sensitive care. Temperature at 40, 60. Easy iron. Got spin speed of 1400 to 400, 1100, 1000, 900, 800, 700, 600, 500, 400. No. Yep. Coloured. Maximum temperature 60. Sensitive care with Stain Master, synthetics, easy iron, temperature up to 60. Sensitive care, Stain Master, delicate. At back maximum spin 400, no wash time, no, yeah, easy iron, sensitive care, no Stain Master, maximum temperature 40, we got reds, no wash, we have easy iron, we have sensitive care, no Stain Master, spin, no easy iron, no sensitive care, and no Stain Master. Drain, nothing. Wool and silk, Stain Master. No sensitive care, no Stain Master. Easy iron. Maximum temperature 30. With duvet. Stain Master, no Stain Master, no sensitive care, with easy iron, no wash time. My maximum temperature is 30. Sports, no wash time, no easy iron, no sensitive care, no Stain Master. That's maximum temperature of 30. And finally, rapid 14, 13, 44, with 40 minutes on low, half an hour and 44 with a maximum temperature of 40. That's easy iron, sensitive care, and Stain Master. This has a maximum spin of 800. By the way, it has a delay timer. 24 hours. That's a whole day. Also, I know it has auto programs, and this is DYN9144DG-80, and it's made in Italy. So, anyways, I think I'm back with other reviews. Thank you for watching.